Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share a fun and creative project with you, making a star-shaped wooden earrings. These are not just any earrings, they are vibrant personalized pieces of art that you can wear or gift to someone special. So let's get started. For the color palette, I choose a mix of dark and light blue, orange, yellow and green combinations that really make the earrings pop and catch the eyes. These bright colors are perfect for summer and will definitely catch some attention. I'm using acrylic paints for this part because they provide a bold and lasting finish. I love the freedom acrylics give. You can blend, layer and play around until you are happy with the design. Watch as I let my creativity flow, painting random patterns and shapes. There is no right or wrong here, so just have fun and see where your imagination takes you. Next, I will use Posca markers for the second pair. These markers are amazing for adding detailed designs and vibrant colors. I will draw whatever comes to mind, maybe some stars, dots or swirls. The beauty of this project is that each pair of earrings will be unique and completely yours. These earrings are not just easy to make, but they are also a fantastic way to express your personal style. They are perfect for any occasion and make wonderful gifts. Once our designs are complete, it's important to protect them. I will apply a clear sealer to keep the colors vibrant and protect any damage. This step is crucial for ensuring your artwork lasts and continues to look great. Now let's turn these painted stars into wearable art. I will attach the jump rings and earring hooks using pliers. It's a simple process. Just open the jump ring, attach it to the earring and then to the hook and close it up. In just a few steps, you have got a beautiful pair of handmade earrings. Now let's take a closer look at the finished earrings on this beautiful display stand. Each pair is unique and showcases the vibrant colors and intricate design we have created. They are perfect for any occasion and make wonderful gifts. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.